Take a look at this phantom wallet. Exactly $6 million all made from deving meme coins. Not by hype, not by trading, just by launching and launching over and over again. Stay locked in and I'll show you exactly how it's done step by step. Now, as you guys already know, just a couple months ago, I was trading meme coins every single day, trying to make a bit of money and trying to become fucking rich. But every single time I jumped into a new meme coin, guess what happened? I get dumped on within minutes. My whole balance got drained. And that's exactly when I realized the people actually making money are not traders. Because you could buy here, 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 and here, and still lose all your money by the dev. But the people actually making a shit ton of money are the creators. Why? Because when you dev your own coins, you make the rules, you create the coin, and you orchestrate the entire ordeal. You decide when it starts, how much supply there is, and what the story is. You are not chasing hype, you are building it. And that's exactly why just a couple months ago, I switched from trading to deving, because now I can turn $0 into 1K over and over again. And right now, bro, Solana and Bitcoin is pumping. It's the perfect time to start deving. Keep watching. And by the way, bro, this whole video is fake. Everything into this video is for educational use only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing here is financial advice. Cap! Now, I know you might be thinking, okay, do I just go to Pump.Fun to launch my meme coins? Well, the answer is no. Because Pump.Fun used to be great, but now it's oversaturated. Tens and thousands of tokens are launching every single day, even every single second, and most of them get zero traction. So if you launch a meme coin, you will most likely make just under $100, maybe even $0. I don't even know, okay? And on top of that, you don't even control the liquidity of your coin. So if you want to cash out money, you cannot even, make some money because you do not control the liquidity pool. And on top of that, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate on the Raydium DEX. And that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because now I can fucking print generational wealth. Because on this platform, bro, it's completely fucking different. You guys will see. Your coin goes straight to Raydium and it gets immediately migrated onto the Raydium DEX, which will be viewed by thousands of potential traders every single fucking second. That means more exposure, more control over your coins, and more buyers from the start. Create tokens.io is the way to go because it's more consistent and you get a shit ton of visibility. You guys will see in just a moment. Now here is the play on create tokens.io. You have two different ways to launch your meme coin and it's up to you to decide. I personally like the second method because it's the most profitable, but the first method is to create a coin from scratch. So go on X and look for a narrative that could be trending. It could be literally anything, okay? For example, this Elon Musk with another girl, that could be a good coin to make a coin on or whatever the fuck, right? Let me see what else there is. It could be literally anything, right? Like this, a squad, I don't know, bro. But yeah, bro, you get the point. Once you have a good narrative, come back to the website, invent a name, add a symbol, right? And then add a quick meme coin logo, for example. And after these steps, your coin is custom created. But the second method, bro, like I said, is the most profitable because, bro, it's the fucking best, okay? And that's by copying trending coins. Now, all of these coins right here are all already trending on Pump.Fun. All you have to do from now on is just copy one and it will launch instantly to Raydium. And because of hype and, these coins are already viral, you'll get instant buyers and faster flips from the start. Bro, copying coins is a cheat code, bro. You guys will see in a minute. But anyways, let's make it happen. I'm going to dev a meme coin right in front of you right now and prove to you that, it's generational. So first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected and then click on refresh list and let's look for a coin to copy. Jade looks kinda decent. Doomer 2, I'm gonna go with the Brew coin. It has a last buy a second ago. It has a X. Let's see if it's okay. It's a community, 167 members. CA is posted. This is good. Click on create coin. After that, ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? It's normal, okay? Click on proceed anyways, confirm, click the checkbox, confirm, and then the coin should be created in 3, 2, 1. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's on the Solana blockchain and it's live. Anyways, let's create the liquidity pool. Now this part's simple. We're just creating the liquidity for your coin. That's what gives your token a live market onto Raydium. So all the traders can start buying and selling your coin instantly through your liquidity pool. It's actually insane. Now for the amount token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool right under 40 token B. This is your first buy into your own project. You are not losing that SOL. It's just locked into the pool to create the first trade. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later down the line, that SOL will come straight back to you inside your Phantom wallet, so do not worry about anything. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool to create the pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on the refresh button right here, and if you scroll down, boom, the Boo coin is on live. You have the coins right here, and your P&L is at $0. Now, if you click on the refresh button to see your profits, now we're up $187 because now people are buying our coin on the migrate section on on every single trading platform. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on Axiom by copy pasting the token address. You do you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. And as you guys can see, it's live. We're already up a couple $100. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? We're getting so many buys right now. Okay, now should be the good time to work the coin. Should I work the coin? Fuck it. Okay, let's work the coin. Oh my god, let's go. It's pumping so much. Oh my god! We're getting so many buyers, bro. $80, $15, $50, $30, $50. Oh my god, guys, it's actually insane. I created this coin for literally $0, and then we're getting all these buys in, bro. Oh my god, bro, you guys have to tap in. Bro, I love deving coins, bro. This is exactly why I dev coins all day, bro. Fuck the 9 to 5. Fuck school, bro. Come on, just do this. 2.5k market cap, 1.4k in liquidity, the volume is high, we're getting transactions in. Now, yeah, you have to expect a retrace when it pumps. $74 buy, right there. I'm gonna be right back after a couple more seconds, and yeah, bro. Okay guys, I am back. We are at the 5.4k market cap, 2k in liquidity, 3k in volume. Life is good. We are getting a shit ton of buyers. Now, before it goes even downer, we are going to make some money. So come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button for like a third time to see your profits. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.84 thousand in USD with a 5.5k market cap. Click on the minus button, do 100% if you want, or you can do less. It's all up to you, right? And then click on the remove money button. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive like 9.4 SOL. It does change every single second. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some bread. If I open the Phantom wallet to see exactly how much we made, because some of you guys don't believe me, boom, 9.7 SOL is in my wallet. It's real, bro. Look, boom, $2,000.